Good day, my friends. Today we're making our family's traditional rabbit recipe. And I'm so excited because I'm teaching Giulia how to make it for the very first time. We start by sectioning the rabbit, give it a good rinse, check for any bone slivers, very important, and then pat dry. These are the inside of the rabbit, the heart, the liver, the kidneys. We chop them up and use them in the sauce. Mix together the flour, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Rosemary, celery, garlic, red onion, pine nuts, the inside of the rabbit, tomato paste, olives, and chicken broth. All the ingredients to build up the flavor. We start coating each piece in the flour seasoned with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Olive oil and butter go into the pan to start building flavor. We lay in the rabbit pieces and let them sear, and Giulia's right beside me learning step by step. Once the pieces on one side are golden, we turn the pieces over. Two pans going, mine a little ahead, but Giulia's catching up beautifully. When the rabbit is nicely seared, we take it out and set it on the side. This is the color you want, deep and golden. A little bit more olive oil and butter. Make sure the butter is melted. Then in goes the onions and celery. We will stir it well, and we will cook them until they're soft and smell amazing. And now we add the garlic.
Okay, because what is that? I just finished telling you.
Liver?
Yeah, the liver.
What is it?
It's the tomato paste.
Oh. Pine nuts.
Pine nuts.
In goes rosemary. Now we return the rabbit pieces to the pan.
Hoopla.
Giulia is a step behind me, but she'll get there soon.
I think Pino Grigio. Ready?
When I did mine, I did a lot of wine, but it was a different
Yeah.
recipe.
Okay, this is all yours, Jules.
All of it?
Yeah. Like that.
Giulia is adding the wine, and I can tell she's doing great. We let the wine evaporate so only the sweetness remains.
Yeah, they just had it delivered. Today? Yeah, this morning it was at the door.
As my daughters are having their conversation, now I'm going to add the broth, the chicken broth, that is, just enough. I would say a whole container of broth.
He's over it all?
You have to, no, leave them like that. Then after 30 minutes, we're gonna flip them.
No.
But at the moment, you have to make sure you don't smell the wine.
Yeah, before adding the...
Yeah, adding the beef.
And in goes the olives. Lower the heat to a simmer and cover for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it's time to turn the rabbit pieces so they can cook evenly on the other side. The sauce has started to thicken. The aromas are deepening, and this is where the rabbit really begins to soften. Now Giulia's doing the same beside me. Slow, careful, and patient, like a good student. Her nonna would be proud of her because she's making a traditional rabbit dish that my mother did for many years.
Is with chicken broth. This one here is with chicken broth. And this one here is with beef broth.
Cover and simmer for another 30 minutes. Every so often, give the pan a quick check to make sure nothing is sticking or burning. A gentle stir is all it needs to keep everything cooking evenly. When the fork slides in with little resistance, you know that the rabbit is turning beautifully tender. This is the moment you want, soft, juicy meat. Cooking this rabbit with Giulia brings me back to the quiet moments in my mother's kitchen and to my grandmother before her. The smell, the stories, the love they passed down through this recipe. Sharing it with Giulia lets our family traditions continue. And so, my friends, I want to thank you for cooking with us today. And do not forget to subscribe. And if you did already, I want to thank you. And I'll see you in the next recipe.